Hey y'all, so I showed you guys this like a long time ago on my channel, like a couple years ago. But for those of you who are new and have not seen it, I wanted to show you guys how you pour your nail polish remover, or if you're pouring any liquid like alcohol or something like that into a smaller container. You know how sometimes when you pour it and you're pouring it into a smaller container, even your dapping dishes, and it spills all down the sides, gets all over your table and all that stuff. So this is a little trick that I do. I seen it somewhere some years ago. So I have these cuticle sticks, and you can use something else like a dotting tool, or you know, like your something metal, something that the nail polish remover won't eat up, you know. But I think the best thing to try to use is cuticle sticks if you have them. But if not, like I say, you can use something else. Okay, so what you want to do is just stick the stick down into whatever it is you're trying to pour it into, your damping dish, or if you have any of these, you can get like 10 of these in a pack for $1 at like Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, and they come with lids. And so you're just gonna hold it down in there. I can't really see what I'm doing on. I hope you guys can see in the video. And then you want to hold it up against the stick or whatever it is you're using, and then pour. And I didn't do a lot, but as you can see, it went straight down in there. Nothing spilled. This is all dry, and it goes straight into the container, so you don't waste any. It doesn't spill all over, make a mess, get down your hands, your fingers. So I'll do it again with the taller one. This has glitter all over it. So I'm going to try to go at a little bit of an angle, see if you guys can see a little better. And it went straight down in there. So yeah, just a quick little cool tip for you guys if you're like me and I'm always pouring nail polish remover into something else to dip my brush in. It's even good if you have if you do acrylic nails and you're using your monomer, you can get your monomer into your dapping dish that way too. So it's good for just any type of liquids that you're pouring into a little container. So hope it was helpful. If it was, give this video a thumbs up, and that's it, y'all.